Modern day, there's a terminology of brother, sister, cousin, relative, husband, wife, uncle, auntie, this and that. Then become this. You recognize them to be one by one, right? What if you were just to sweep all this concept away? We are all each other. What everybody need, or what everybody want. Everybody need love, food, harmony. If everybody can think together, band together, join together, work together, would the result be greater? Isn't it? Everybody do together, have a great result together. Teamwork. What does it mean in a modern way? Teamwork. What does teamwork mean? Means we are willing to give up a self to follow whoever is the wisest, or come up with an idea or capability or something to do something together that is of the greatest benefit. Then everybody benefits.